Do you know the pH value of the soap which you are using for your baby? And the pH value of the baby soap should only range between 5 to 6 because the baby's skin is soft, and if the pH value is more, it will take all the essential oils from the skin, leading to skin rashes. Worry not, in today's video I'm gonna perform a simple experiment on 10 popular baby soaps which are available in the market. Alright then, let's get on with the video. The first one is Mamaearth baby soap. They claim that the pH value is 5.5, so let's check this. If you see, the color didn't change at all. This is Mamaearth. So if you see the pH value, it's 5 and 6. It's between 5 and 6. And moving on to other soap, which is Mysore Sandal baby soap. Let's take the strip. Oh my god, it turned green. And now let's check what is the screen. So now if you can see, it is 8. Moving on, the next soap is none other than Johnson & Johnson baby soap. I was literally waiting to open this one. Let's see what happens. I'm so excited to do this one because this is the most used soap in all over the world. Oh my god. This is also 8. Seems like this is also 8. 8 or like maybe 7. We can give this 7. Moving on to our next soap, which is Santoor baby soap. For some, what is this? Santoor baby soap, which is also 8. 8 is for Santoor baby soap. Moving on, our next soap is Himalaya baby soap, which is the most popular soap among all the new moms. I'm doing this for Himalaya. It's very, very dark. Himalaya is a soap which is used by almost all over India. So this is the pH value for this. It is 8. It's ranging between 8 and 9, which is very dark. Moving on to other soap, which is Parachute baby soap. This is crazily 8, maybe 9. It's 9. It's ranging between 9 and 10. Parachute baby soap. Alright, now let's move on to another soap, which is Teddy Bar. Hey, this has something inside. Seems like this is a little soap stand. So cute. I'm waiting for this. Uh-oh. Mistakes happen. Oh, seems like Teddy Bar is a very good soap. Let's see. The pH value for this soap is ranging between 5 and 6. It's very nice. Teddy Bar. Now let's move on to another soap, which is Chico. This is also very famous soap. Let's see. I'm doing this for Chico. The pH value is ranging between 7 and 8. It's quite high. And if you can see, seems like this is like maybe 9 or 10. I'll give it 10. Let's move on to another soap, which is Cetaphil baby soap, which is very popular soap. famous and popular amongst all the mothers, young mothers, new mothers. I'm doing this for Cetaphil. Oh, this seems to be a very good soap. The pH value is ranging just between 4 and 5. 5 and 6. This is for Cetaphil. And finally, Sebamed, which is a very popular soap among all the new moms. So let's test this. Amazing. If you can see, it didn't change at all. That means Sebamed's pH value is 5. It's ranging between 5 and 6. So that's it, guys. This was my little experiment for all these soaps, and I would like to rate all these soaps like this. Or maybe you can just take a screenshot for your further use. So I personally believe that these last 4 soaps were the best soaps, which were having the pH value ranging between 5.5 and 6, as the color didn't change at all. So Cetaphil, Sebamed, Teddy Bar and Mamaearth. These soaps I consider as the good soaps, which will be very much smooth and soft for your baby skin, because the baby skin will be very smooth. So I feel that it's not appropriate to use some harsh chemical soaps like which are having the pH value more than maybe 8. It's only for elders. So I listed the brands I just experimented. The top 4 passed the pH test with 5.5 as a value. The bottom all are above 5.5. And I don't think they are bad or should not be used. You can take a screenshot of this table and refer to it later. Here I have listed the brands based on the price, the lowest price brands at the top. As you can see here, the bottom 4 passed the pH test, but they are expensive. You can try maybe Mamaearth if you cannot afford the top 3 brands that are very expensive. That's it from me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.